Hi, I'm Chris, I'm the creative director of Cornwall Film Co.
Hi, I'm Joe and I'm the founder of Cornwall Film Co.
We've just delivered a talk for the
Yes.
Inclusivity Project. Can you talk to me a bit about who was here?
Yeah, there are people from businesses like My Yacht Harbour to people doing things like British Sign Language.
My name's Beth, I'm from ISEC Cornwall. I'm Vicky and I'm from Access Cornwall.
My name's Ian Mason. We have a couple of businesses, but one of them we've really started to hone in on is doing a holiday lodge, but really trying to make it inclusive.
I'm Jo Owen and I help run MSK Aware CIC, which works with employers to improve the musculoskeletal health of their workforce.
I'm Gemma from Smart Matching. I'm Jude from Yacht Harbour. I'm the marketing manager there.
Hi, I'm Claire and I'm here today on behalf of Hearing Loss Cornwall. So there's a lot of hearing assistive devices that deaf people can use if they wear hearing aids to help them with their hearing. They come in a box and they're full of all these bits and bobs. So just seeing that on video is going to be really helpful for them. And just doing videos in BSL about many different things, how to access services. So I've just been talking to somebody from Citizens Advice.
So for example, a lot of people who come to Citizens Advice don't have time to come into an office or are housebound. So something like a video would be really useful to help them get all the information they need.
Video is hard, and I think in a very hard last year, everyone's realised that those companies that had access to video really thrived because they still had that presence online. So I think it's important for small businesses in Cornwall to have access to video because they can stay relevant and the unexpected happens.
I like to arrange tours and very visual things and to go on the website to help people to find the best things to suit them so they can have a great time.
Not only in marketing but in developing our training programme.
What I'd like to do is basically really show the intricate details and the skills base that our team really do.
Maybe a video at the beginning, having a kind of mock interview, and then one at the end, by going on the programme, the difference in their confidence and their abilities in the interviews.
Everyone sees the lovely yachts, motorboats and things in the marina, but they don't necessarily get to see all of the intricacies of the work and the skills that go behind actually making those boats work.
We've already learnt on this course that the use subtitles is a massive thing.
With our birthday celebration coming up, we want to make some promo videos about what we do, and maybe if we have some events, which I'm hoping to, we can film it and show off all the fun we have really.
If you're visually impaired, having a good commentary to back it up and a good audio description that brings to life what you're trying to show.
We like to try and talk about accessibility with video. It's quite good that hopefully in the next session we'll talk about things like subtitles and ways that people actually can make their videos more accessible. So I think we're really happy.
We've had so much great training from the Inclusivity Project to help us develop that digital offering, which makes the world a much better place for everybody who lives with disabilities and everybody in general.